Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to take care of my craft room. It is a disaster zone right now, and I've already gone ahead and renovated this room, made it perfect. Everything had a place for it. The more I used it, the more stuff I gained. Everything's always everywhere. Nothing goes back to where it belongs. We just keep adding more stuff. There's just too much stuff in this room right now. I need to clean it. With this quarantine, I think it's a great time to do a lot of crafting, which I love crafting. And it's a horrible place right now. It's literally our dumping zone. And I wanted to give you a before and after look, what I do to organize this crazy room of mine. So here's the look of before. So this is, as you can see, this is the dumping zone, where we just literally lay whatever we don't want anywhere else in the house. My poor little craft room. I mean, I had it pretty cute. I'll put a before and after of what it really looked like originally versus now. And as you can see, it's just out of control, literally. Like every birthday, every Christmas, anything. I mean, there's still Christmas stuff laying around, birthday stuff, Easter stuff. Like, it's out of control. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead, reorganize this room, and give you a look at what I come up with after. I bought a whole bunch of stuff from IKEA, which was exciting. It came today. And super excited to put this room back to normal. after. Cleared up very well, nicely done. Very minimal, organized. Everything has a spot now. And these came in very handy because they gave me a lot more room to put the knickknacks in, which was awesome. And cleared up the table. Have my little workstation here for the cutting machine and the printer. It's a nice little spot. And I love this curtain that I put here because it really does minimize and hide all the junk back here. I hate a whole assortment of colors and all these things that I use regularly, like my backdrop for photography, all this rainbow of millions of different wrapping paper that I have, and filing cabinets. I throw a lot of parties, so a lot of party supplies, games and ribbons and ribbons and ribbons and ribbons, and of course this ugly switchboard. And yeah, so I have lots of bins that are specific for either party supplies, tissues, and gift wraps. And I have seasonal decorations. I have flowers, more party supplies, and Christmas stuff galore everywhere you look. So yeah, you close it up, you walk away, and while you're working in here, you don't really get to see all the craziness. So that just, I love that effect that it has. And it looks just super minimal and clean and really hides all the craziness. So there you have it, folks. My 2-day effort, because the first day I started it, I was exhausted. I couldn't finish, so here you have it. All done, super excited, ready to craft some more.